Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackHere.com. Today I want to introduce our 2022 SportBikeTrackHere.com MotoAmerica Junior Cup livery. This is one of our riders, my son's bike, Max Van's bike. We haven't really introduced this yet on YouTube, so here you go. All new for this year. Made a couple of changes in terms of the way the bike looks. When we were at the track last year, Max made friends with this kid, Reese Briotti. He's 21 years old, he's a man, that started a company making graphic kits like this for race bikes. He had already done several bikes that we saw at MotoAmerica and they looked amazing. So we decided for this year, actually Max convinced me to give this a shot, and I gotta tell you, I'm really happy that I did. It is REB Graphics. Reese Briotti is the guy behind it. He does the design, he can do the install, all the templating, and it just turns out fantastic. Give you a nice once around the bike, and you're probably going to see some B-roll from the footage that we used for the commercial we just shot, representing all of our sponsors that have helped us with our program for 2022. You know, and this just looks so much more professional than what we had going on with just the stickers that Dad was putting on the bike. Another thing that's nice is now we have enough greens. We're going to qualify for contingency that we're getting Max all signed up for, right? And another thing that, you know, and he did say this has proven to do that because the graphics cover so much of the bodywork, depending on the type of fall that you have, there's times where you can just replace that section of graphic and you can get the bike looking good once again. So let's just say that you saw how great this thing looks and you want your bike to look kick-ass like that too. How do you get a hold of Reese? The email that he likes to use to keep everything centralized is business@rebgraphics.com. Reach out to Reese. He is your guy. He can make your bike, and it doesn't matter if you're racing or you're doing track days. Everybody likes to have a beautiful bike, and there is nobody better to get that done for you than my guy Reese.